What's up, you degenerates? Scott Barnes here with another video for you. And this time, finally, we have one from Dana White. And he is getting us introduced to Dave Portnoy and the Barstool buddies. Tyler, I don't know. I forget all these guys' names and stars and Taylor Swifties and all that stuff. So that being said, let's just jump right into it and go.
Taylor told me. Now I can honestly sit here, thank God it's being filmed, and saying, Dave, you might not win. I hope to God you do, for the most part.
As you being filmed, I can promise you, if I lose $2 million the rest of our lives, I will be like, tell me to lose $2 million.
Business with the boys.
That's 10 grand on the first hand.
Why do I feel like we are in a episode of Hell's Kitchen?
Been gambling with Dana for almost a year now. Dave thinks he's guaranteed to win money. No, we didn't say that. I'm in mental hell right now.
I think they're trying to make it like an Ocean's 11. I'm not sure.
Big Cat Dave, they came out on the other side quick, just like we hoped.
Steiny. Steiny's the most hilarious, weird little guy. He's like a turd that won't flush. Portnoy's pretty cool with the Barstool reviews. I like his pizza reviews. They're fun.
He's got a fucking stepping show, and if he gets a goofy number, he's gonna lose 30 grand. Who's selling the double? You? No, I did.
look at Steiny.
Somebody beat Steiny up, please. Huge win for him. No double that. Nice. Now you slip.
That's insane. Blech. Blech. Oh my God! Look how much they're out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 340. I kind of want to bring this out. Big one. Nice. Look at it, and then he's done.
I'm out. But you're not leaving. You're not leaving, Dana. Because I'm listening to whatever you tell me to do. Here we go. Now, what are you doing? I'm doing 20. That's making me nervous. That's red. Oh, wait, 2 hands. I like it. Yeah. Right now it's okay. Here we go. Game time. Let's go. Here we go. What do we got? Not good. Not good. Ooh. Oh, great. Great. 17.
Game time!
17. Oh. No. Yes? No.
Oh.
How fucking crazy is that? Oh my God. Fuck. All right.
Steiny. Dude, this guy just creeping back there.
Oh, yeah. You got 20? Yeah. This was 20. That was 20. You took it.
Again.
Yeah. You guys pushed. I was like, I'm really fucking stupid, or that was a push. Yeah, push here. 10. 10.
Yo, you guys, that's happened quite a bit.
We would have not caught that. We would have not caught that.
No. Yeah, new deck. I thought we had it. That's so fucking believable.
So that's been 3 times that I've seen dealers mess up. We've had Steve's girlfriend. We've had Cody from Exposed, and then, gambling with Dana. I'm surprised, man. Maybe they're just so used to taking money. Could be wrong.
Follow whatever you say. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? All right. Love it. Big. There we go. There we go. Check even.
God, I feel like I'm in one of those Japanese gambling bars where every time you win, it's like ding, 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 ding.
Come on, don't do it. Don't do it. 10. All right.
Tunnel of chaos.
Tunnel of chaos.
Tunnel of
I
chaos.
love the tunnel of chaos. Take it all. Yep. I love the tunnel of chaos. I won 30 and I won. Come on, Taylor, let's go. Let's go.
So Taylor went back in. He was already down 60.
Feeling when you lost that first one.
Well, I pushed and lost, but listen.
I pushed and lost.
Let yourself go in the tunnel of chaos.
That's funny.
But the real rule of the tunnel of chaos, the thing about this is you got to stand up when you win. Which is hard to do, but you got to.
I like that guy.
He's in the chaos.
Need something.
Small one. Taylor's down 130 right now. So we knew there would be a casualty. If anything, though, as us hosting the Barstool squad, he's got to be the guy. You know, that's the best case scenario, even though this is not what we want. Now I'm nervous for Hank.
When are you going?
Whenever they yank my name out of a hat.
Oh, is that?
We wrote everybody's name down to like put in the hat, and they would draw it, who would go next.
Yes. No. So we need the 10 here and the 7 here. You got the 20. I know, but I can't see the card. Hey, let's go. That's all we need to win.
Man, just bit by bit paying things off.
Oh shit, I need that $5. Well, yeah, yes. I didn't know what he said. I needed 10. I was like, oh, you need bad shit.
Being on the other side, how did you feel?
Yeah, I definitely got to start paying attention on these deals sometimes, because
Come on, baby. Come on. Big one. There we go. That works. We can take that. All right, there we go.
he's getting close. Is it 30? Yeah. Now he's 40 left. He's right there. Right there. He needs like one more. Give me 30.
Go big, go big, go big. There we go. Give us a great double, split, something. Ah, that's ass. Oh, motherfucker. Yeah.
Nice.
We're at least safe. At least safe.
You're right. That's good news. I like that.
I love the music. The music is just awesome. It adds to the suspense. I'm digging it. Dude, the music's stellar. I gotta say, whoever did the production on this, very great. Very great. Did he just do it right there?
52-5.
Dude.
Another war won.
Yep.
Hey, Taylor.
Everybody wins.
52-5.
52-5.
All right.
Turn it around.
Way to go, Taylor. Way to fight. Way to fight. Come on, BFT.
Hunter.
Tunnel of chaos.
Tunnel of chaos.
I'm
Tunnel of chaos.
up. I'm up there.
Look at This is great, man.
Tunnel of chaos.
Okay.
Tunnel of chaos.
Let's go. Now you win the next one.
Here's
Oh, we
Port.
got a sugar daddy. Here we go. What do we got here?
Wait, you only did 5?
No, 2 hands. 2 hands. Clock. Give me 5. Give me 5. Let's go. Fuck.
Oh, this is it. This is the hand.
This is for a double, right? This is for a double? Down. Yep. This is it. This is for the win right here.
6, 16. Nice. This is so cool, dude. How can you not love this stuff?
I gave you.
God, that's why I love Dana, man.
25 and 10, I think.
Yeah, 25 and 10? 10. You won 25,000. There you go. Give Portnoy back his money. Yeah.
I'm telling chaos, baby.
That was fun.
Listen, you go down $10,000 in your first hand. You start to feel some pain in places you didn't know you felt pain before. But shit happened.
What'd you end up with?
Up 25 grand.
That's insane. I like how there's a line. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Here, take that. Well, no.
Dude, Portnoy's rich. Very, very rich.
Come on, Chair. Right here, Chair.
Double.
Big. Yes.
Nice. Let's see who's got.
I want to go home.
Tell me how you're feeling.
Taylor was right. You say what you want to win, you win, and then you're done. That's it.
When you were sitting up there, were you nervous?
Yeah, of course. 100%. I want to go home now. Maybe I double it.
Did you give him 5?
Yep.
No, we're going to go 10,000.
Who's up next?
Hey, a little chaos, Hank.
I'm gonna give it to you.
No.
Even money, even money, even money. Can't you do even money? Oh no, because there's a 10 on top.
That is fucking brutal.
Next play, Hank.
That's fucking brutal.
Next play, Hank.
That is just mean. Come on.
That's mean.
All right.
Big. 10. 10.
One and done.
That's yours.
I sat down, they flipped the cards, it was a blackjack. I was like, easiest thing ever. And then the fact that the dealer got a blackjack was, had me shit in my pants.
That's
I
called
thought
getting
it was like
slapped in the
going down-
face,
down a
man.
dark path, but it wasn't that bad at all.
This is fucking crazy.
Yeah, that's so fun.
The whole fucking Barstool company. That was fucking crazy. Literally fucking one after another. That poor son of a bitch hit a fucking blackjack. 115 G's.
Hey, Will's gonna be the one to lose.
I'm down 10. You're down 10?
You're both down 10?
We're both down 10. So we this
Ace got this. Yeah, we got this. That doesn't matter.
I wonder if this is when Steve came and played over on the other side. Ooh. Crummy. At 18 is pretty good though. Dude, always get this is where the downhill starts.
Total chaos. Fine.
So, what is he down right now? Let's go.
You're good. You're out.
That's it. Let's go.
Yeah, you're up $5,000, right? Look at
You still win. I don't know that.
I don't know what happened.
Yep. So Austin.
Let's go, Austin. Let's go, 17-5. Let's go, Austin.
what is going on right now? Is this just the beginner's luck of the century? I want to get back in the tunnel.
You guys better have your next Christmas party.
I know.
Big time.
There you go. Easy.
Bang.
There's your.
Bang. There you go, 5,000. 5,000 for Sugar Daddy.
Are you going? Will. Bring us home, Willie. Boys, I want to talk to you about something that doesn't cross your mind until you absolutely need it, and that is furniture.
Oh, God. I love how it's like it's just Will. Like, let's be real, it's just Dana playing.
You're in the rhythm, Will. We need to win this hand right here. This is it.
Blackjack. For you. Okay.
I gotta say, man, the music on this is just epic. The dealer gives her a fist bump.
Here we go. Pay off the 10. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30 goes to you. 5 goes to her for the cut. And you got $15,000. Let's go,
Total chaos.
I might have to really have a conversation with my wife. Like, how is that gonna go?
How would it feel?
Like I dodged a fucking bullet. No.
Taylor was like going down 90, like it's not an issue. When he gets down like 130, it's a problem. Yeah, he's fucking out of 100. He's at 300.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Hey,
Yeah, I don't know.
300, right? I was down 300.
Yeah. Yeah, it was down a lot. Yeah. I don't know. What are you guys doing?
Squad photo?
Dude, that is hilarious. Squad photo. That crap was hilarious. Guys, what a fun video, especially with the cinematics and the music. I mean, perfection. We will see, and I'm hoping Cody's going to be there from Exposed, and that'll be interesting if Steve will do is going to hang out with him, and I don't know, there could be a whole crew. Looks like obviously everybody's in Vegas, so we'll see if anybody wants to return, which actually is a good time to go. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya.